So this is a perfect stitch for you to practice. It is called the Alpine Stitch. The Alpine Stitch requires you to do a few steps, so listen up. You need to chain an even number. Whatever number you choose, just make sure that it's even. I did 20 for this tutorial. Once you have completed your chain, we are going to start off with double crochets. Skip those first 2 chains and we are going to work in that 3rd chain from the stitch and make a double crochet. If you don't know how to make a double crochet, I'll show you right now. Wrap the yarn over, put your hook through the loop, pull up a loop, wrap the yarn over and pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 more loops. Let's do it again. Wrap your yarn over, place the hook into the hole, pull up a loop, wrap the yarn over again and pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops again. Now that you have finished all of your double crochets, let's do the next row. Chain 1 and turn. Now you are going to place 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Once you have completed that row of single crochets, we're now going to chain up 2. And instead of doing single crochets again or regular double crochets, we're going to do something interesting. Wrap your yarn over and we're going to do a front post double crochet. You're going to go in and then come out the opposite side of that double crochet. Pull up a loop. You want it to be loose. This is why this pattern is great for people who have loose tension. The next stitch, you're going to place a regular double crochet. And now we're going to do another front post double crochet. Wrap the yarn over, go into the side, and then come out the other side. Pull up a long loop, wrap the yarn over, get rid of 2 loops, wrap the yarn over, and get rid of 2 more. We are coming to the last stitch, and it is a front post stitch. Wrap that yarn over again, and instead of working here, we have to work this one. We're going to go through this, pull up that long loop, and make our double crochet. Isn't it beautiful? Now you're going to chain 1, and we're going to work 1 single crochet across the top. And you're going to repeat the previous row to create this beautiful Alpine stitch. I hope this helps. If you have any more questions, place it in the comment section below.